Rich text fields in Salesforce are often used to store images. Images are embedded in HTML, therefore mass uploading or editing these images is a major pain point. Rich text field data can be extracted from Salesforce using a regular SOQL query. Let's define a simple query that will pull IDs and rich text field data from all account records. When creating our query, from these options in the Get Data dialog box, we will first select only images in cells, no text, and execute it. In our Excel sheet, we will be able to see each image in each cell. Another option we have is to pull HTML and store the images locally. In the spreadsheet, we will see the downloaded HTML markup in the cells, and the images are going to be stored in the predefined folder. A path to each image appears inside the tag. Paths can be edited to point at new images when uploading them back to Salesforce. To upload images from Excel to Salesforce, we can insert the image by placing it in a cell. Then we will select the rows to upload and click Update in the plugin ribbon. Each column needs to be mapped to the corresponding Salesforce field. After clicking Update, we will see the results together with the updated IDs at the right of the data cells. Another way of uploading images is to do it from a folder. To do that, we will need to enter the path to each image in the HTML src tag in the image column. Then we click Update and check mappings and push our changes. We will see the results next to our data table as always. Finally, when no images are involved, Zapex will pull the contents of the rich text area fields normally as HTML.